Hi guys, good afternoon. It is the 4th of May. May the 4th be with you. And yeah, it's already, I think it's nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but yeah, here's my OOTD. It's a bit cold outside, but I'm just gonna put coat over. Yeah, and I think I'll be alright. And yeah, we're just gonna go out. We're gonna take Paris into the play area. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So we're going there, guys. It's the rabbit hole. Paris is going to love it. Hi, Mingay. Hi. It looks like we're going to the airport. Hello. Hello. We're just gonna get ice cream, guys, and then we're gonna go. Just get 2 scoops.
In the cone. Cone? Yeah. Yes, please.
Cookies and cream and chocolate. Come on.
No kayo. Ito, makasapit na.
Where's the car, honey? Careful.
Uy, gamay pa yung tao.
Careful.
Oh, kalantay siya.
It's okay, Mama's coming. So guys, we just finished with rabbit hole. And Daddy actually stopped at the gym. So that's a gym there. That's Dermot gym. And we're gonna go to Footscray. We're gonna go to the dentist. Sorry. Thank you. Where's the cup? Wah, dia bulingit. Come here. Just gonna get you in. 1, 2, 3. Good job, honey. Good girl. You finish your ice cream? Yes. Borrow, Mama. Hi guys, so we just got out from the doctors and we're gonna go to Savers. Yay! We're going to Savers, guys. Just wanna, have a look at something. We'll see if they're still open actually. I think they are. Ooh, it's very cold. So we're in Savers, guys. Open, they're still open. Ooh. Someone's eating grapes. Honey. Too small. Uy. Have a look at her bag, guys. Max, show it. Don't move. Oh, look at that. How big is the diamond? Oh, nice. Got so many options here, guys.
It looks like you're bringing your whole wealth.
Hello. Hi. Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, it's an Have a look at the eye. Scary, honey. Scary. Whoa. Hi guys, we're home now. Yeah, so today we went to the doctors. Well, I went to the doctors because I need to see a general practitioner. It's because it's been a week. It's been a week now that I feel like there's something stuck in my throat. Well, it doesn't hurt me. It's not painful at all. Like when I swallow or breathe, no, nothing like that. But it's just bothering me in the sense of it's just uncomfortable. It seems like there's, I don't know, marshmallow or something, you know, in my throat. So that's the reason I went to the doctors, and well, the doctors can't see anything, so he referred me to see a how do you call that, ear and throat specialist. So by Monday I'm gonna give him a call and make an appointment. Yeah, so hopefully there's nothing serious really. I'm actually scared, but well, you know, whatever it is, I'm just hoping that it's just minor really. Maybe I'm just getting sick or something, but it's just strange that it's been like that for a week. So anyways, it's good that we'll get that checked to make sure everything is fine, because health is wealth, as we all know. And yeah, other than that, we went to, after the doctors, we went to Savers. So Savers is actually a like a Ukay-Ukay in the Philippines. And you know, we love, and Paris, we love Ukay-Ukay guys. Like we love, I personally love Savers. Like you can get, you know, brands, and as long as you just have that patience to go through all the, you know, hangers, you know, you'll get like good deals. So when we went there after the doctors, I know. What would you like to say? Do you want to say anything? Oh, I smell. Do you want me to spray because I smell? Oh, okay. There you go. All yours. All yours. What happened? It smells so good now. And you want to join Mama? Hi. What happened to your hair? Oh, hi. You want to say hi? Good job. Oh yeah. Hang on. Mama will just show this. So yeah, when we went there, they're actually closing because it was already late. They close at 7 o'clock at night. So yeah, so they're closing. So we didn't get the chance to browse, but this caught my attention because the tops shirts. So I got two tops, two blouses, however you call it. The first one is just, yes sweetie, hang on, be careful. Yeah, she loves the camera guys. Yes, so the first one I got this just plain white shirt. Oh my god guys, this is so, the cloth is so soft. I think it's for 100% cotton, I think. And this is from, wait, careful. There you go. And I got it for $3. How good is that? And I think it would be nice to actually wear it with, you know, high-waisted jeans or shorts, and then just tie it here. You love my background guys? And yeah, so that's why I got that one. That's the first one. And the second one is also, this is not pure white, I think it's cream color. But have a look at that, it's just too cute and I can't just, you know, leave it there. And also the quality and the cloth is also very good. It's 94% cotton. There you go. But the design, it's just so good. And also, other than that, what happened, honey? Don't. And yeah, it's brand new. Brand new. And the brand is Muscalo. Like seriously, I thought it's very close to Moschino. Duh. There you go. See, that's the brand and it's size small. And also, I got it for $4.50. So yeah, it's so cool, so good. Yeah, I'd probably go back to Savers when we get a chance. Cause yeah, I just love Savers. So yeah, I think that is all for today, guys. Yes, Mama.
Do you want to say bye?
And as you can see, she looks bullying it, guys. She was eating ice cream today before. Oh, Papa, do you want to say hi? Good job, sweetie. Clap hands. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Alain?
High five, Mama.
Alain?
Wait.
High five again.
High five.
Alain.
Good job. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Oh, how about this one? If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Oh. Well, yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you all, guys, in our next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. 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 Good job.